Hey, what is up, guys? We are back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to talk about the dirt bike right here. And we got a problem. Yeah, took off the back wheel and been riding it for a long while, and these spokes, 6 of them have broken on the back, so the wheel's kind of wobbling a little bit, so I had to take it off. It's in for repair right now. Over here we got the bicycle, just cleaning it up, making it shine for vacation. I'm going to the Outer Banks again. Can't wait. Hopefully I'll get Outer Banks, another one of those videos coming out. But guys, we're gonna go out the window over here, and yeah, snow count not looking so good. So I'm gonna go outside, get a preview of the ice over there. Maybe there's not too much ice. It's only like 36 degrees, but the ice is melting pretty fast. So I'll show you guys the outside once I get out there. Before, guys, I go out over to the hill, I'm gonna try to get some time lapse of sunsets and sunrises for you guys to put on the channel. Hopefully that will be nice. You guys should follow my Instagram at Josef J. Sherman. I be posting a lot of photos over there of sunsets and sunrises. So guys, next clip. Guys, totally forgot. Gotta do the shout outs. I'm gonna give a shout out to Michigan and Derek. Guys, I'm gonna throw in a clip of me doing wheelies all the way down the road from Snapchat. So guys, hopefully you guys like it. Alright guys, we're over here at the hill. Yeah, not much snow. There's remnants of what's left. And over there is the ice. I don't really want to walk down there, but you guys can see it looks pretty dark. It's about to open up pretty soon. So ice is going to be gone. And then it's going to be muddy season. So hopefully I get some more dirt bike videos. I got to get that fixed. And show you guys the tree house over there. Might have a video on that, maybe. I don't know, but you guys will see. Stay tuned for the next video. Guys, recently I've been getting so much support. You guys probably can't hear me right now. I'm like, holy cow, blow me over. I've been getting a lot of support lately on one of the snowmobile videos. Like, I have over 500 views, so I'm gonna say thank you guys so much for the views. And you guys can follow me all on my social medias. There'll be a link in the description. And just like that, guys, we're going to cap off the video here. It's just going to be an update video. And it's getting really cold, so I probably should go back. So make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Like always, peace.